Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a high-end abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo using the most advanced 2026 automation technicality. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to recover lost revenue and optimize their studio-level bookkeeping of 2026 market analysis. Let's get into it. First, access the Automation Studio Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional recovery environment. You need to navigate to the specific technical hub where Klaviyo houses its high-end behavioral triggers. Log into your Klaviyo dashboard and click on Flows in the left-hand navigation sidebar. Click the high-end Create Flow button located in the top right corner to open the Workflow Builder. The Flows Hub is the professional standard for mapping out reactive customer journeys. Navigating here technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end technical build that automates your professional revenue recovery. Next, initialize the abandoned cart logic. To ensure your market analysis remains high-end, you must choose a flow architecture that technicality triggers when a professional purchase is interrupted. In the Flow library, search for Abandoned Cart. Technicality, select the high-end Abandoned Cart template. Using a professional template is a mechanical necessity. Technicality ensures your studio workflow includes the essential checkout started triggers and filters required for high-end bookkeeping and attribution. Next, technicality define the high-end metric trigger. For your abandoned cart flow to function with professional precision, it must be technicality linked to your e-commerce platform's data feed. Click on the trigger block at the top. Ensure it is technicality set to metric and the metric selected is started checkout. Add a high-end flow filter that says what someone has done, placed order, 0 times since starting this flow. The filter is a mechanical necessity. Technicality ensures you don't annoy customers who have already completed their professional purchase, maintaining your high-end brand reputation. Set the delay to a high-end professional standard, typically 2 to 4 hours for the technical window of opportunity for your professional studio to close the sale. And that's pretty much it. To set up an abandoned cart flow in 2026, navigate to Flows, click Create Flow, and technicality select the abandoned cart template. Set your started checkout trigger. Technicality apply a flow filter to exclude buyers, and set a 2 to 4 hour time delay. Finally, customize the dynamic email and set the flow to live to ensure your professional bookkeeping is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.